Naghahanap ka ba ng retirement property dito sa Pilipinas? This location is the perfect for you. By the way, this is Uptown Bonifacio and located siya sa Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Kung bakit maganda yung location na to? Malapit tayo sa mga malls, restaurants, even sa banks, sobrang dami dito. And aside from that, meron tayong station ng Metro Manila Subway dito sa Uptown Bonifacio. That's why perfect yung location na to for your retirement investment. So malapit din tayo sa St. Luke's Medical Center. So tara, buhay ahente tayo. And welcome to Uptown Arts Residence. If you have big family, this 3-bedroom unit 125.5 square meter will be a perfect unit for you. So, semi-furnished na nga pala itong unit na to. So, lahat ng mga deliverables na nakikita nyo dito is included na. This is the actual unit of a 3-bedroom. So, sa kitchen natin, may 4 induction cooktop na tayo, range hood, oven, over and counter cabinets is also included, maging yung fridge is included na dito sa unit na to. And of course, meron nga pala tayong maid's quarter dito sa 3-bedroom unit na ito, and meron siyang sariling bathroom. So this will be the space of your kitchen and maid's quarter. And this will be the living and dining space. So sa living nyo, sobrang lawak niya. And floor to ceiling glass pa siya. So may enjoy nyo yung view from your living. And this side naman will be your bathroom or common toilet and bath. And kumpleto na rin siya with water closet. Meron na tayong bidet, may mirror, glass partition. So ito naman yung first bedroom nyo. Meron na siyang modular closet, may aircon na nakasama dito, and of course, floor to ceiling glass din siya. And yung flooring natin is ceramic wood plank finish na siya. So this is your first bedroom. So sa second bedroom naman natin, same lang din, mas malawak lang siya. Ceramic wood plank finish na rin yung flooring natin. May modular closet na kasama. Meron na rin tayong aircon dito. Floor to ceiling glass also. And of course, this will be your master bedroom. Meron tayong walk-in closet. Meron tayo ditong glass. Meron tayong mirror. And ang maganda dito sa 3-bedroom na master bedroom, meron siyang sariling bathroom. So of course, this will be your bed space, floor to ceiling glass na rin, and meron siyang balcony. Sobrang ganda ng view nyo dito. So if you wanna know more on this 3-bedroom unit, you can directly message me para matulungan ko kayong makuha itong retirement investment nyo. So again, I am Jared Magnay, your trusted property specialist here in Megaworld at the Fort. See you on my next video. Inquire now.